Alright guys, welcome back to the Frugal Homestead. So today we're going to be making cauliflower Alfredo. Super simple, fast, cheap. Here we go. So the first thing you're going to need is your cauliflower rice. Now, I buy these packs at Dollar Tree. They're only $1 a piece. 19 calories a serving, 3 servings. That's 60 calories for the whole bag. Now, if you want to make this for your main dish, you might want to dress it up with some broccoli or something else, but it makes a great side or a great late night snack. So, 6 minutes in the microwave and this bag will be ready to go. That's all it takes, guys. And it's not crappy, it's good cauliflower rice. So we put that in our bowl. Alright. And we're going to take our Alfredo sauce. And it's 50 calories a quarter cup for this kind. So we're going to put us a quarter cup in there. Make sure you do this while the cauliflower rice is still warm. That is an important part. Then you're just going to fork it in. You don't want to smash it. You just want to keep forking it in, fluffing it in. Don't go crazy. It's going to take some time, but it's worth it. Alright. Now that we're starting to see a consistency of the Alfredo sauce throughout, we're going to add in a little bit of pepper. And of course, some garlic salt. And we're just going to take and mix all that up and continue to just fluff and fold, fluff and fold. Now, I have made the peppers and onions that you get at Dollar Tree in the frozen aisle and mixed it in with this, and it was delicious, honestly. But for my late night snacks, 110 calories for what you're about to see is amazing. Low calorie, delicious. You can feel good about giving large portions of this to your kids and stuff as a side dish and kind of let them still have their hot dogs and stuff but not feel as bad. So, take a look, guys. So, we just basically fluffed and folded it in. Nothing special here. Sometimes it's less is more, honestly. So now that we've got it done, take a look at that. That's good. You get a real full feeling when you eat all this. But 110 calories is nothing. Most times, when you drink a bottle of soda, it has more calories than this. The problem is, once I get started though, I'm always going to finish the entire amount. So I always have to make separate for Missy. But as you can see, easy, delicious recipe, 110 calories. How can you beat that? So, if you haven't already, and I don't know why you wouldn't have by now, go down, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're alerted to all of our upcoming videos. Go down and leave a like and a comment. Let me know what low calorie foods you've been eating lately. I'd love to hear it. More ideas is always better. With that said, we really appreciate you being here, and we will see you in the next one.